Hi, I'm Helen and I'm the Managing Director of Futurepump. Futurepump is a manufacturer of solar-powered water pumps for small-scale farmers. Now, if you've ever seen Futurepump options, you will notice that there are options for single or double solar panels with your pump. And we realised that it's not always obvious when you would go for which option, so we thought we'd do a quick explainer video to tell you just that. So this setup that I have right here is the SF2 with 120 watts of solar. This is two 60-watt panels attached together to create 120 watts. And this is ideal really for most parts of the world and most situations where you've got plenty of sun, it's not too cloudy, and you're not trying to irrigate sort of late into the evening or maybe early morning. Now there are some situations, the UK is a great example of this, where you might want to increase your amount of solar because sometimes the weather is cloudy, it's hazy, or you're just wanting to irrigate when it's not full sun like today. So in this situation, we have our option to double up our solar panels. So there's the 240 watt version. This is simply adding another set of double panels to your pump. So connecting up two sets of solar panels is super easy. We provide a Y connection, and this plugs simply into the end of each solar panel. Panel 1 connects into this Y cable. Panel 2 connects into the other part of the Y cable. And then you simply connect it into the pump. It's important to note that having the double solar setup will not increase your flow rates or make your pump any faster. It's simply to make you more resilient in case cloud cover comes over, or if you want to pump earlier in the day or later at night.